Joe Beermaster. Today we have a Chevy Impala key fob. This is a GM or Chevy key fob. Both covers multiple years and multiple models. If your fob looks like this, I'm going to show you how to change the battery if it goes dead. So like I said, this is for a 16 Impala and it covers many years. So the first thing is, if you can't get in your car because the battery's dead, there is a way to get in using the key. And there is a secret cylinder on the door. Watch my other video for that. And you can get in to either jump start the car or whatever you have to do. But I'm going to show you how to change the battery. This is pretty simple. This is like a switchblade type key. So we're going to pop that open. And then we want to get inside of this fob, and the way is to grab here where the key popped out on this portion and pull it. This one's real easy. And inside you see the battery. It's a CR2032. Sometimes you can kind of like push it. There's a spring in here. Push it back and it will pop out, or you can use a little screwdriver. And we'll just kind of use a little screwdriver just to help it out. See, it's not so easy. Easier said than done, but we're going to get it. There you go. Always like to show how difficult it is sometimes, even though it's simple, because you will run into this issue. So like I said, you could either slide it out, slide your thumb back, and it will pop. Or you can use a little tool to help you, but be very gentle with it. And we're going to get the new battery. And we're going to put that in, same side up, positive side up. Don't forget. We're sliding in this direction, same direction. And push it down. Now let's see if we can get this to lock in. This one does not want to lock back in. Okay, I got it in. It stayed. And we're going to get the cap. Put that back on. There's nothing under there. Put that back on. Straighten that ring out there so it doesn't get in the way. Click. And now she's good to go with the new battery. That was real easy. I like to take my time with this because even though it's very simple, you might run into little complications, especially if you've never done it before. You just have to work through them to get that battery out. So, Joe Beermaster, I hope this helped. Please subscribe, share the video, and if you can give me a thumbs up, I would appreciate that. Take care.